In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can filter your columns within your pre-built tables right here in Google Sheets. So in previous videos, I've already mentioned how you can do so much more with your pre-built tables or converting your raw data into tables. Now, these are one of those advantages. You can quickly filter your columns without actually inserting a filter from data on the menu bar. So one thing that you'll notice with the columns would be the drop-downs after each header. So with those drop-downs, we actually have so many options on what you can do. And again, one of those would be to filter your column. So in this example, I actually want to filter a specific column, which would be my category. So I only wanted to see the sales from a specific category on this table right here. So how do we do that? Go to that column, and on the header, again, you have that drop down, which we're going to click and select our option of filter column. There you have it. Click on it. And now we have the options on how we can filter a column. So we're going to start by filtering our data by values. So we have the values, and the values are our categories. And if we just want to see a specific type of product or category within this column, we are going to clear everything out and just select the ones that we want to see. And if we just wanted to see the sales from, let's say, the cakes, what we're going to do is to clear out everything. So no more check marks on the left side of each category. And what I'm going to do is to just select one. Once I select one, the check mark will appear on the left side, meaning that will be the only product that I will see on my table. So if I click on OK here at the bottom right corner, there you have it. I only see the sales from the category cake. So that's a great way to filter our data. If we try that again, let's say with a different column. If I undo that, there you go. Everything is here. If we want to go to the total sales and just filter the data and see the ones that have made a sale of over $20. So again, I'm just going to go to the drop down at the right side of that header. Go to filter column right here. So this time we're going to be filtering our column by condition. So if I click on this, here we go. Select the condition right here. So we want it to be greater than, or let's do greater than or equal to $20. There you go. Click on OK again at the bottom right corner. And here we have it. So here are all the sales of over $20 within our data set. And there you have it. If we wanted to filter our data again based on another category while this column is already filtered, we can also do that. If we go back to the category and filter our values by just clearing out everything and selecting cake, click on OK, and here we have it. So all the cake sales that are over $20 are now shown on our table right here. And that's how you can filter your columns all within your pre-built tables right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.